Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here, Marian Graham, and medyo emergency podcast kasi Coach Tim just announced na he's expanding his pool, which is a bit nakakagulat kasi he's been so adamant, he's been so stubborn about I'm gonna have the same 12-man lineup kasi ang hirap-hirap turuan ng mas maraming guys. Kayo
Yeah.
bahala if you agree or not with that statement, pero yung point ng podcast na to is to decide or give our opinions sa apat na binigay na player si Coach Tim. Will all make it? Sino yung, kung dalawa man lang pipiliin namin or ninyo, sino yung papasok nyo? 2, 3, 4, or 1? We are going to talk about that today. And for me, I can start it off, guys. Sa akin, the number one most likely to make it. In a perfect world, I have to put that in a vacuum muna, no? In a perfect world, siguro, removing all biases and mag-decide lang tayo sa ano kailangan ng Gilas. I think Xavier Lucero will be the first one. Kasi it looks like Xavier Lucero is considered a local here. And Xavier Lucero as a local is great news up to this day. Tsaka ko lang nalaman na, okay, so local pala si Xav. Because for the longest time, they've been mum about him. There was never any clear news kung consider ba na import si Xavier local. So, for me, Xavier Lucero. And with Xav, kung papasok si Xav, ako lang naman to, I will have him replace CJ Perez because Xav has the tools and the physicals. This guy's a 6'6 guy. Looks like he can play within the system of Coach Tim. As a 6'6 wing, he is what we hoped Kobe Paras would be, if I'm being honest with you guys. This is, if Kobe Paras took basketball seriously, I feel like that's Xav Lucero. And without all the off-court antics. Second guy ko, for me lang sa apat na to, I feel like dalawa lang makakapasok in a perfect world. Up in this Asia Cup, no? Second is, man, medyo nahirapan ako dito. I feel like Renza Bando would find a way in that final 12. Actually, tatanong natin siya bukas, Mario, sa SGA practice, what he thinks about it. Nabigyan na ako ng clearance to ask him and we could put it up. So,
Brother,
for
I'm
me,
surprised you removed CJ first before um
who?
uh somebody else on this list, if I'm
But
being
then, wait lang,
honest.
wait lang, wait lang. Ano, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go there. That's why na dyan kayong dalawa eh. Para hindi lang kayo under fire. Number
Yeah.
two, for me, is yun nga, Renza Bando, and he will replace Mason Amos. Gonna replace Mason. Uh, Renza Bando needs more reps. I believe that he should have been here a long time ago, ever since Coach Tim took on the reins as a coach. Hindi ko alam bakit na-delay si Renz, but here we go. Buti na naisip nila si Renza Bando. While yung remaining two, si Troy and si RJ, could wait eventually. Or feel ko si Troy, in this Asia Cup alone, could replace Japet. Because si Japs, he wanted to stop his Gilas duties already. There were reports in the past na he's done. But then Coach Tim had to talk to him na, Japs, balik naman ka na dito. Kasi kulang tayo sa front line. And that's the reason why Japet Aguilar has been going back to Gilas even past his age already na hindi naman siya nakakontribute in the international stage. And then the least likely for me right now, at least right now, is RJ Abarientos. Because of, we are really stacked with the guards. Sobrang stacked natin sa guards and as a small country na height isn't really our strength. RJ would have to take a back seat for now. Am I ever gonna
Not
remove
because
him
of
out?
no, not because of what happened last night.
No, 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 no. Walang
Okay, just
kinalaman yun.
because
This
we're
is all in
stuck.
a
Game six.
vacuum.
Okay, okay.
Game
This
six
is
to, by the
all,
way, guys.
no, no, tapos this is, kahit he had 50 yesterday, it's still gonna be the same.
He's
Uh,
not gonna get it.
RJ
I get
Abarientos
it.
will be the one to wait for his turn, but I'm okay with him being in the lineup for sure. It's amazing to have him in the pool to be considered because he's gonna be a key, he's gonna be a key player one day. Umaasa ako doon na he's gonna be a key player one day, but this year maybe not.
That's
Mario,
right. And in that
what?
one day, no, I
Ano,
was about to
when
say,
is that
in
one
that
day?
one
Oh.
day, I hope will be on Wednesday.
for game 7, and that day will be on game 7.
Hey,
Mario,
it's
ikaw
Go
muna.
ahead, man.
it's a Gilas
Your
pod, Graham. It's a
It's a
Gilas pod
Gilas pod. Hindi
today.
ka ba
It's a
nakikinig?
Gilas.
My bad, man.
Ano
My
ba?
bad. My bad. I'm at work, guys. I'm at work.
Today's
Please
the
do
Pero,
it.
Gilas day, you know?
pero by the way, ano guys, thank you for helping us reach 100 followers dun sa Six Man Podcast Instagram natin.
Oh,
From
yes.
24
Oh,
to
thank you.
110 overnight. That was great. So,
Eh,
again,
sineseryoso
guys,
na
don't
Well,
namin
forget to,
yung ano.
yung ano?
Sineseryoso na namin yung merch. Yeah,
Oh,
baka,
ayusin namin. We're gonna plan that. Nag-usap namin ni Mario. We're gonna have meetings soon. Don't forget to follow underscore Six Man Podcast on Instagram. Nandun yung mga takes namin, shortened, and mga, yung video ni Graham na umiiyak. That is raw takes as you can get. And we're gonna have more of these kind of videos on
sa
Wednesday.
Wednesday! Sa
We're
Wednesday,
gonna have
magkasama
more. We're
si...
gonna have more. We're gonna
Yeah, sa
upload more
Wednesday,
here.
magkasama si Nico pati si Graham. Iiyak talaga
Oh,
si
Six
Graham
Man
both
Pod.
ways. Iiyak siya both ways, guys.
Guys, follow Six Man
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Podcast.
Both ways.
Uh,
Mario.
brother, for me, okay, this might be a bit of a shock. Okay, this might be a bit of a shock.
Mm.
I'm keeping Mason Amos in the pool.
Okay. No
I'm
problem. Yeah,
keeping
no
Mason
problem.
Amos
Okay.
in the pool because he is, I think, still probably the second or maybe the first, maybe the third, around one to three best shooters on the Gilas
I feel
program,
like it's
man.
top two. Top two.
Top two, top three for me,
Top two, top
seriously.
three. Mm-mm.
And outside of him, nobody else on this team above with height can like who can play the center position like Mason can. Kai can't shoot from outside. Junmar can't really hit the three. Japet, we've seen him try corner threes multiple times and not go in. AJ Edu never really been known for a shot. Mason, at the end of the day, is still, I think, the primary option when you want to play a big man who has to hit the outside shot. Kaya di ko siya matatanggal. For me,
Mm.
because Kai is injured, Kai obviously won't play. That's probably where I slot in Zave Lucero. Um, in around that wing, around the 3, 4, 5 position, Zave could play it. So I think Zave is probably a shoe-in for this Gilas lineup. Not I think they have to keep Japet. With the absence of Kai, they have to
For
keep
the whole
Japet.
year. Yeah.
Kasi even if Japet no longer wants to play for Gilas, in my defense, I think he said that when it wasn't Coach Tim as the coach. So times change when Coach Tim is the head coach of Gilas because
Mm.
Japet will always want to play for Coach Tim.
Mm-mm.
So Zave, I think is a for sure in, and the one I'm gonna remove sa guards is I think you might have to take out CJ Perez for Renza Bando.
Mm-mm.
Taking out CJ for Renza Bando is
Mhm.
might be necessary because for me personally, I don't think CJ has had the best moments on the Gilas program.
Sadly.
Yeah, I don't think he's really to be fair, man. CJ's whole thing is
Outside of the ano, 'di ba? Outside of the Latvia game, I think,
yeah.
when
Yung, ano, yung
he had a
buzzer
break.
beater, end of the first quarter ba? Second quarter? I
Oh,
When
forgot. Yeah,
CJ
yeah.
makes his shots, bale. Like, yeah, when he's making those buzzer beater shots. Pero man, outside of that, he hasn't really been that useful, I'd say, for Gilas Pilipinas. Chris Newsome, I think, has leaped over him in the depth chart for Gilas. So I'd
Yeah,
put
for
in
sure.
Renza Bando. I think Renza Bando is really the one. Um, can play off the ball kasi si Renze and he'll still have an impact. Si CJ kasi men, alam naman natin to. And the SMB fans can attest kasi he's been taking away game-winning shots from Junmar over the past 2 years. Uh, CJ needs to have the ball in his hand for him to be effective, man. And in a Gilas team that has the likes of Scotty, Dwight, JB, Carl, Calvin, Junmar pa rin. Uh, Renz probably fits more. I think he's a better shooter than CJ. He defends better than CJ for sure. So I think Renz has to fit in the slot of CJ Perez. I agree with Nico. I don't think it's RJ's time yet now.
Mhm.
Yet. Oh.
I do not think it's RJ's time yet now because the moment a big guard from the other team sees RJ Barrientos. And the lineup is as it is right now, where Junmar is ika-ika, there's no Kai Soto, Japet Aguilar has had his struggles, AJ Edu is gonna be back in duty for the after coming off an injury as well. I don't think now is the time for RJ just yet. I agree with Nico on that. probably in the future when the likes of Chris and Scotty have to let the reins go, it's probably where we will see RJ. And even just a bit more, maybe when we see RJ improve on his defensive level, he'll probably reach that Gila stage. I'm sure at some point in the future, he will reach that Gila stage. Imposibleng hindi. He was on the coach tab-led Gilas team that almost beat Serbia. Serbia ba
Yeah.
yun? Yeah, Serbia. He was the one who was making the threes at that time, man. So, ayun. Probably when RJ gets a bit better defensively and when some of these older players have to let go na is when we'll see RJ Abarientos. Si Troy, I don't think we see him either. I don't think we see Troy here either unless
Mm.
one of the two between Junmar and Japet or Calvin. There's a very real possibility Calvin Oftana doesn't play in the SEA Games either considering he's also injured right now,
O nga pala,
right?
pipilitin ba nila yun, no?
Mm. And KQ is in currently training in the States
Yeah, pero
with
he made himself available daw. He's
yeah.
gonna make himself
So
available
ayun,
for Gilas daw.
I between if there's one of Calvin, Junmar, and Japet who will beg off from Gilas for this time around because of injuries, that's probably where we'll see Troy, even if Troy is also injured, di ba, Graham? Uh,
Yeah, because yeah, because remember,
Di ba, Grem?
if he's not injured, then it's
yeah.
always a risk.
Oy,
If
Gilas pod to Grem
If Troy
Ah,
Rosario is not injured, everybody wins.
Ay,
Yeah, so
nako.
yun yung I have basically have the
Uh,
same as Nico, except yung sa akin is I don't take out Mason. I think Mason still probably stays in this lineup. End of day, man, probably still the best shooter out there. So yeah.
Grem?
yeah, Mario, I took the bait. Grabe ka. Grabe ka dun sa Troy
Alam ni
setup,
Mario
ha.
yan. Alam niya yan. Magaling magano yan eh.
Guys, hindi, hold on. Did I miss, is Jamie Malonzo included in the pool? Or in the lineup?
Oo nga
He's in
pala,
the
why is
pool.
Jamie not
Because
here?
Oh yeah, yeah. This was ano eh. Wala pa siya to last time, so.
he is in the
But
lineup,
yeah,
di
he is
ba?
in the lineup. Ito yung
Okay,
Asia Cup 12 ko eh.
I
Pero
take him
sasabihin ko na
out.
lang verbally mamaya.
I take him out. I take out Jamie Malonzo right
For
away
who?
and
Wait. Who for who muna?
replace him with Zave Lucero.
Ah,
Right,
okay.
that
So,
right there
okay.
is already an upgrade,
So
di
he's
ba?
number one in your most
He,
likely, in a perfect world.
mm, I
Okay.
think he is sure, like sure, he's Dave Lucero. And then you're right, I'll replace CJ with Renz because Renz is a better, in my opinion, team player than CJ Perez right now or
How about
has
fit?
ever
Yeah.
been,
How
di
about
ba?
fit?
In
Yeah.
your opinion, in SMB fans' opinion,
That's right. That's right. I guess CJ made a lot of people happy last night. That's the only thing that I'll say. So I'll replace him immediately. Those two, okay, those two great players from last night will be replaced by Save Lucero and Renz Abando respectively.
Yung
I
dalawa
can
mo.
see RJ. No, you're right. No to RJ right now. There will be a time when RJ is going to be shoe in. That time is not right now.
Mm.
Troy. I can see Troy getting in. I think Troy can get in because AJ Edu is here. And I'm assuming that Junmar will get 2, 3 weeks worth of rest. If San Miguel gets eliminated, then he'll have the rest that he needs to recover from that calf strain, di ba? Calf strain
yeah.
yung injury ni Junmar. So,
Mm.
if he gets the rest that he needs 2, 3 weeks, then that's enough. Then you'll have Junmar and AJ Edu. The problem is Japet is naturally a four and Troy will play the four also sa Gilas, 'di ba? So it's a decision that you have to make if you if your um
Mm. Ano
if
na
your
naman?
coach team no, when I said Japit is a four, sabi ni Mario, you mean 4 of 10? No, I mean 4 fouls in the third
Puro.
quarter, bro. Um, but man, he's
Pero
going to be
nadali.
comfortable. He's going to be comfortable. So I may not replace Japet at all with Troy, especially if he's going to play the four. Kasi
Mm.
that's his comfortable spot. He's going to be playing alongside AJ or Junmar because Kai is out. So that's where he blossoms the most. Pinipilit kasi siya, 'di ba, sa club team to play the five. Now if
Ah.
he's the four, then we're gonna see a different Japet in FIBA Asia Cup. So I'm going with Abandoren and Lucero. I think they're the popular picks.
They are the
And
popular picks for sure.
they're the logical picks too. And yung si Lucero nga, no, we don't know na treated pala siya as local. Like, bakit
Nagulat rin
ngayon
ako.
lang,
I
di ba?
didn't know it. I didn't know it up
Yeah.
until I saw that Link. Even Mario.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
sure, nobody expected it. Na, okay,
Ba-
so local pala si Save.
Wow.
Pero may
Since
tanong
when,
ako.
man?
May tanong
Since
ako
Oh,
for
when?
you two. May tanong ako for you two. This is based on our own analysis, di ba?
Mm.
So are we gonna be realistic na ba?
Yeah, and that's based on our own analysis, di ba? Let's 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 think about it in a different way. Considering that
Mm.
this is Coach Tim's team,
Mm-hmm.
considering this is a Coach Tim led team, and we know Coach Tim loves his boys. How many do you genuinely think of the four go? I mean, do you genuinely think it will really be Zave and Renz, or is there a chance that Coach Tim goes, "Hey man, system's the system, fluidity is key. Let's put in Troy and RJ right now." How do you guys see that going on?
He's gonna get a lot of flack, especially when RJ
Alam,
becomes
alam
game
na ni
6
Graham.
RJ.
Alam
Oh,
na ni Graham.
no, totoo yan, bro.
Oh,
Hindi,
what the hell?
dito hindi ka na ibaback up ng barangay. Like kalaban mo na
Yeah.
buong Pilipinas if you're in
Pilipinas.
RJ. If especially if you kick someone out, let's say Nunu, which you shouldn't do if you're coach Tim.
Oh, I don't think he's
Okay
gonna
lang si
do that.
CJ
Sana
eh.
hindi. Feel ko
Yeah,
si
okay
CJ
lang si
yung
CJ eh,
replace
but
niya.
for sure, 'di ba? Pero kung ipapalit mo lang si RJ, then I'd rather have CJ than RJ right now in the national team. Kasi CJ at least can defend, RJ cannot. So I actually have my 12 right now, and no, actually 11 pa lang pala to. So Troy may really
Forgot
have a
about
spot, but
Jamie. I kind of forgot about Jamie. I
I
don't
have
think
him
Jamie
here in my
has a
12.
roster.
We're gonna give her 12 before we end the pod. Like, okay guys, this is my
for what
final
he did
12.
last night, nakalimutan mo si Jamie.
Yeah, hey man, that's why I forgot, man.
Yeah, that's true.
One of those balls hit my head now.
Hoy, I
One of the
think
hit.
he was fined because of the
Wait, what
nasira
happened?
ata yung ring sa Araneta kahapon.
Ano
Ah,
naman
talaga ba?
ginawa
With
niya?
all the
Ano fine?
bricks, na-deform. Na-deform
Na-deform yung metal.
yung
Na-deform
ring sa
yung
Araneta. Yung metal. With all the bricks. Parang, uy,
baboy.
that's,
Slow ko dun ah. Parang, alam ko may ginawa siya na talaga.
Alam
Kasi
ko rin may ginawa kasi.
TNT destroyed the locker room. So, I won't be surprised if Jamie maybe, hinila niya
Ba't
pa ba
kapal
yung
naman
ring.
ang mukha niyo? Ba't si Jamie lang yung finine niyo? Ang daming pwedeng i-fine kahapon eh. We could have fined Gian Mamuyak. We
oh,
could
that fine is
Damn.
coming, man.
we could have fined Gian,
That,
man.
he's next.
First of all, we should have fined CJ Perez. He's backward 22. And they're all
Yeah.
so damaged to those rings, bro. Anyway, if we're gonna,
Yes.
I wanted us to bring this up also. I think one of the things that makes me happy about this inclusion of the four is the
Mm.
fact that at least the pool is expanding. That's the one
Yeah.
thing
Mhm.
that I
Mas surprise ako actually dun actually. Mas surprise ako na, ha? He's
ako
expanding the
rin.
pool. Hindi ba to fake news? And then I saw it was spin. So, okay. Wow. Legit.
Ako rin.
There was
Because
a
Coach Tim,
time, no, there was a time na
Ayaw niya
napakahirap
talaga.
manghiram ng player.
ayaw niya talaga,
There was a
bro.
time na napakahirap manghiram. Yeah.
Yeah, man. And now this kind of opens up the avenue to seeing, hopefully, right? Hopefully seeing some dudes back into the pool. Kahit sa pool lang, men. Um, for me, personally, I don't fully understand the whole continuity thing. Kasi, um, big pool or small pool, it's up to them if they attend. You know what I
Mm.
mean? If it's a big pool, more people will attend. If it's a small pool, the same people will attend. That's fine. But then
Mm.
limiting the pool to just an exact amount of players kasi kind of removes the opportunity for these players na now that Kai Soto got injured, you're lucky you have time to prepare. Because if you didn't, um, because your pool was so small, nobody will really understand how to play in the system that Coach Tim wants them to play. So now,
Mm.
medyo nice nga talaga to see the fact that Coach Tim has expanded the pool. I hope he adds another import because, by the way, Justin Brownlee is arriving in the Philippines. I know Graham is excited for that. Um,
Hindi.
but JB is arriving in the Philippines soon by Tuesday, I think.
I
For
think, yeah,
Mm.
this week daw.
yeah,
Dapat nga July
Siya
1
na
eh, di ba?
susundo eh.
But
Siya
it got
susundo eh. Ano ka
delayed.
ba, Mario?
Ikaw ba
Sige,
susunduin?
susundo.
Ikaw ba susunduin?
Pautang ka na. Pautang mo na rin si
Ay,
JB.
sa mga nagpapautang kay Graham doon ha, huwag niyo kalimutan bayaran ha.
Guys, grabe, I
Papautang.
trusted you with my own money. Please, come on, man.
But yeah, yun lang yung point ko. If we're gonna give our 12,
Yeah, so
hindi
game.
ko
Let's give
muna.
her
Alam
12.
mo,
I'll give
yan
my
eh.
12.
Go
Okay, my
lang.
final 12 for the Asia Cup. I'll make a graphic out of this na rin for Instagram.
Go lang.
Chris Newsome, Earl, Scotty Thompson, Renzo Bando, Dwight Ramos, Justin Brownlee, Carl Tamayo, Zave Lucero, Kevin Kiambao, Jamie Malonzo, still keep him, Japet Aguilar, Junmar Fajardo, and AJ Edu. Mario, you're
Wait lang ah.
12.
Tanggal ako.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Gago, dami ko na.
14 to ah.
It's like parang who's your top 10 player of all time tapos 17 yung binigay niyo.
17 yung binigay.
Wait lang ah.
Shit.
Si Graham lang
Do you
muna.
want me,
Wait
do you
lang.
want
Graham,
me
are
to
you
go
ready?
first?
Graham, are you
Nagbabawas
ready?
pa ako. Nagbabawas pa ako.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. All
Math
right, so
major,
my
di
12
yan
is
math major.
Newsome.
Yes. Okay, okay, Newsome.
Yeah, Newsome is one. Scotty, Dwight, and Save. And then I have Calvin Oftana, Justin
Mm.
Brownlee, Carl Tamayo, KQ, and Renza Bando. So I kicked out Mason Amos. And then I also have in my front line, my 4 and 5, Junmar, Japet, and AJ Edu. So I kicked out Jimmy Malonzo, CJ Perez, and si Mason Amos
Okay.
for so yun yung 15 ko but I have to reduce it to 12. So
12
that's
dapat?
what I came up with. Yeah, no, 12 nga yun. 12,
Okay, okay,
no,
okay.
4, 9, yeah,
Fine.
12. It's
In
12,
a
man.
in a world in a world na 12 siya. Fine. I'll be the
O
one to
sige, sige, sino 12 mo?
All right. So my 12. I don't know if I like my 12. Wait lang ah.
Okay lang. No backsies ah. No
Nag-edit,
backsies.
nag-edit pa ako, nag-edit pa ako.
Ako po.
Kailangan ko ba 'to? Medyo kailangan ko siya eh. Fine.
Imagine mo kung kay coaching staff, no?
Here's
Hirap
mine.
niyan.
Here's my
Oh, we're gonna
12.
be
Hold on,
go.
Mario. Are
I
you taking out
go
Justin Brownlee? Ba't hirap na hirap ka?
so I go Newsome, I go Thompson, I go Renzo Bando, and I go Dwight Ramos.
Okay, so,
So Justin Brownlee, Carl Tamayo, Dave
okay.
Lucero, Kevin Kiambao,
Okay.
and Calvin Oftana.
Okay, you're
And
keeping
then
Calvin.
yes, and then I go Mason Amos, Junmar Fajardo, AJ Edu. I
Okay. Ako
removed
pala,
that.
defend ko lang, oh. Defend ko lang why I removed
Walang defend
Calvin.
defend, walang defend defend.
Sabihin ko lang. Di ko naman
Walang
iibahin
defend
yung lineup
defend.
ko eh. Yung si Calvin kasi because of the calf strain, baka hindi pahiram. So, ayun.
Pero
Baka
bro,
ipahinga.
isipin
Yeah.
mo, one week lang yung series nila versus Ginebra pagtapos na sweep, di ba? So, mababa pa. No, no, no. Oy, TNT fans, no, no, no. This is a Gilas pod, man. Come on. Come
Ooh.
on.
May bago na naman silang pagpipiestahan na clip.
But
Yes!
did I say who will win? Malay mo, TNT, mga 4-0, di ba? But man,
Oh.
I
The
was I
reason I
was
removed,
also
the
was
reason
also
I removed
trying to
Japs,
go
sorry
go
lang.
Mario.
The reason I removed Japs is because I think Japs and AJ do basically play the same role. I think Japs and AJ play the same role, and neither can shoot an outside shot to save their life. So that's still why I have Mason over. I still think you need the spacing. Eh. I believe you need the spacing right now. I couldn't remove Calvin because let's be real, dude. Even naman if he has a calf strain, his only role
Di mo
in
ramdam eh.
with Coach Tim is to stay in the corner.
Yeah, tsaka di mo ramdam.
Yeah,
And
like
this is a system na hindi siya yung focal point kagaya
yeah,
nitong semifinals. So
yeah.
Mm.
it's gonna relieve some of the burden,
Yep.
pressure from Calvin Oftana.
Just saying though, I would have loved to see Jordan Heading also back in the pool, especially with the heading we're seeing right now. But maybe in the
It's
future.
okay.
May
Maybe in
iniinda
the
rin siya.
future.
May
Asia Cup
iniinda
pa
rin
lang
siya
naman
eh, di
eh.
ba?
Na?
May back injury din kasi siya eh.
Parang
So
nawawala na rin
they're,
yung back injury.
well, parang hindi mo na
Sa
nga rin
kakamasahe ng
ramdam.
Ross sa kanya, nawala back injury niya. Sa
Yeah.
kakamasahe ni
Nag-realign
Clarito.
yung spine niya eh. Nag-realign yung spine niya.
Yeah.
Nung,
Di ba?
nung
Sa
binangga
kakatama
siya.
ng Ross,
Manggaing ka ba
naayos
naman?
yung spine niya bigla. So,
Nung
okay pala
binangga siya
to.
ni Clarito isang beses, sabi niya,
Umayos.
yun naman pala eh.
Yeah, kaya naman pala. Yeah.
Kaya naman pala yun. Yeah, that's my... sorry, send ko pala dito. Wag na, di ko
Di, okay
na-send
lang
ah.
din. Verbally, okay lang naman. Anyway, guys, sino yung final 12 nyo? Final 12 nyo, let us know in the comments. Follow 5-star rate on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-Man Podcast here with Nico, Mario, and Graham. Oh, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, _6man podcast. See you all next time, boys.
Adios, amigos.